The first phase of our biomaterial project started with a material experimentation. But before I started experimenting, I looked at some current issues with material manufacture, and plastic is the biggest problematic material right now, as we all know. And pollution, air pollution, deforestation, and waste are some other issues. This is a bunch of biomaterials that I made, and I will go into detail in how I made them and how effective they were and what different properties they all have. My first material was made from overcooked rice used as a binder, and then crushed up eggshells, crushed up dry leaves, cocoa peat, and crushed up dry grass. I then put it outside and let it dry in the sun for 2 days. The material dried out well and is hard, but it is brittle. If you try bend it or move it too much, it feels like it's going to break. The next material that I made could be used as a material itself or as a binder. The material was made using corn flour, vinegar, water, and glycerin, which was heated and mixed on a pot or pan until I got a toothpaste type consistency. I then spread it out on a cutting board and left it to dry for about 2 days. The final material is like a flexible type of plastic, so it worked really well as a material and very well as a binder for other materials too. So I used it as a base and then added some wood shavings and sawdust to create another material. I used wax paper and a cutting board to press the material together. The final material turned out very well and is very flexible and strong even though it's so thin. I also try to make a bit of a reinforced version of the plastic-like material and using sticks. It worked well, but I could use a lot more sticks next time. I also started experimenting with a gelatin type of material and binder, which was made from gelatin, water, and glycerin. And I started experimenting with the different binders, adding different materials such as seeds, crushed leaves, crushed eggshells, crushed dry grass, oats, sticks, etc. Overall, my materials were very successful and all have different properties. And as we move to the next stage of the project, then we will see which type of materials which would be best suited for the project. So those are my materials, and thank you for watching.